Well, good morning. We're continuing on with scrapping right now. We have Little Cam here doing all the radiators, and to my left we're doing the rims is what we're doing. So we got a lot going on, and we'll keep on working. So now we're clearing out this yellow shed. We got a lot of rims out. I think around 170, somewhere's in there. And now we've got radiators, which is probably, I don't know, we're a couple hundred. We're gonna have spring cleaning starting up. I love it. Over here we got 4 loads. Aluminum rim. Boy, that window's dirty. I'm gonna have to get here, guys over there, and then we got Little Cam here loading up, and we're gonna keep on going. All right, so here we go. Let's see what I can do. This the sun's facing us. I got a dirty window, and I'll be doing this with one hand. So let's see if I can show you dumping these radiators in. Next we're going to be going for bumpers and rebars, all aluminum stuff. We do have them separated here in the trailer, and it looks like the trailer is about full. I feel me bouncing around a little bit. That was a good toss. Today is scrapping day. We have taken about 3 loads out of sheet metal, we have steel, and then we have aluminum we got to do. So we're going to keep moving and get this side done. So here we are at Beacon Recycling. I'm a little curious to know what we're going to bring in. What do you think we're going to bring in, Cam?
Like weight-wise?
Yeah. No, not weight.
Oh.
Well, yeah. How much weight did you have last time?
I would probably say 22,000.
Well, let's see what we got this time. That's 22,000, brother. 21.
Hello? Yes.
They don't even have anybody come over here?
No, it's not radio.
Dang. They got all kinds of new technology and cool stuff here. I like those excavators they got. The long reach. So how long did it take you to do those other loads?
15, 20 minutes.
That's it?
Something like that.
Well, that's not bad. All right. And where do you go to?
There's a big pile right there. The main one.
Oh, that's just a sheet metal?
All right, thank you.
All right, we're all set. back right in there.
This is
Got some big buckets here. That looks good.
now we just strap and open up the gates.
That's it? You got a dump?
Well, yeah, that.
All right, let's go get it dumped. I'll get it. Apparently I didn't do too well holding that door open. Thought I did. You're probably going to have to pull forward. Hey, come back and then go forward. You got a lot of it. Yeah, we got a couple stowaways. Fast. So now we just got to go way out and rescale. That didn't take long at all, does it?
Sometimes if you get stuck, they'll use one of those cranes
Oh, no
to
kidding.
help you.
That's mighty nice of them. I tell you, we've been dealing with this company for years, and they've always had excellent service here. And the owners, the original owner retired, and now his sons took it over, and they're following in the same exact footsteps. They're doing a great job. All right, let's see what we do.
Yeah, yeah, we are. Yeah.
Okay, you're all set for now.
All right then.